Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix peak if your mic is not working. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in control panel. In here, click on it to open it up. Now go to the right side. At the top, click on the drop down. Make sure that you're under large icons. And once done, click on sound. Okay, just leave it open, and before we touch anything right here, just go ahead over to your taskbar, right click on it and click on settings. And then here, just go ahead over to privacy and security. Now go ahead and find your microphone. Click on it. And here, scroll all the way down and make sure that let desktop apps access your microphone is enabled. And once done, just close this one. Now let's go back to this setting. Okay, you can now go ahead and close the control panel. And here, make sure that the correct output is selected. For example, you have a headset or headphone. Make sure to click on it and set this one to default. Okay, as you can see, I'm using my speakers right now, so this one is set to device default. Now, once done, go ahead over to recordings and make sure to select the working microphone right here. As you can see, I have two. So this one is what I'm currently using right now. So just click on it and set this one to default as well. Okay, you're gonna want to double click on it and make sure that the levels is amped up. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and try to listen. Okay, or you can just go ahead and use this visuals right here so that you'll be able to know that your microphone is working. And once that's done, just hit on OK. Now go ahead and open up the game settings. If the game is currently open, you're going to want to close it and reopen it again. And once it's opened, click on settings right here and then go ahead over to the audio tab. Make sure that you select the microphone that was set as the default. Okay, as you might remember, we have selected our default microphones. So just go ahead and click on this drop down and you'll have that option. Also, microphone mode, you have voice activation right here or push to talk. For push to talk, if yours is set to push to talk, the default key is V. You'll have to hold V on your keyboard and then talk for your microphone to be activated. Okay. Also, voice volume right here, make sure that it is set to 1. And that is it. Just go back, host a game or play and enjoy. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.